Okay, so first you put the HDMI into the Blackmagic HDMI to SDI converter. And then make sure that the SDI is coming from the SDI out to the SDI in of the Ultra Studio SDI. Now we connect the blue USB 3 cable to the Blackmagic blue USB. And now we connect the power from the HDMI converter making sure that the B-GAN's connected. Open up the B-GAN web page. Select full HDR symmetric or B-GAN extreme, depending on which one you want. Okay, so we select HDR full symmetric. As you can see, the speed showing up and down. Open Bonding Live. Select our destination here. This is where you add and remove. Select full HDR extreme, depending on which you picked, so we picked full HDR. Select your source, it'll pick up on HDMI and SDI on the Ultra Studio SDI. Green button should go green when we've got the video source and it can see the server, so we hit the green button. After the initial handshake, it begins transmitting, usually after about a minute.
To contact a dedicated technical engineer, click the contact tab.